Hello students, I am well. Hope that you are also well. In our last video, we have discussed exercise 11.2 of chapter 11 algebra, and today we are going to start exercise 11.2 of chapter 11 algebra. So let's start the video. So exercise 11.2 question number 1 given. The side of an equilateral triangle is shown by L. Express the perimeter of the equilateral triangle using L. As you are familiar with the word equilateral triangle, that means what? Equilateral triangle is a triangle where every sides are equal. Yes? Suppose this is an equilateral triangle. If this is 2 centimeter, then obviously this is also 2 and this side is also 2. That means all the sides are equal. So here in this question it is given that one side of the equilateral triangle is L. One side is L. Obviously the other two sides are also L. So the perimeter of the equilateral triangle will be what? 3 into side. Okay? That means 3 sides are there in the equilateral triangle. So 3 into side, since one side is given L, therefore 3 into L, that means answer we will get thrice L, or we can say 3L. Okay? Next proceed to question number 2. So you see the side of a regular hexagon is denoted by L. So hexagon also you know how many sides are there in an hexagon? In a hexagon there are 6 sides. Okay? So express the perimeter of the hexagon using L. Here also since 6 sides are there and each side is represented as L. Therefore side of the hexagon is represented as L and the perimeter of the hexagon will be what? 6 into side, that means 6L. Okay? So suppose this type of question will come for a pentagon. Okay? Then pentagon 5 sides are there and if suppose one side is recognized as L, then what will be the formula of the perimeter of the pentagon? 5 into side 5L. Okay? So next proceed to question number 3. So a cube is a 3-dimensional figure. It has 6 faces and all of them are identical squares. The length of an edge of the cube is given by L. Find the formula for a total length of the edges of a cube. So length of one edge of a cube. It is given that length of one edge of a cube is L. And in a cube, how many edges are there? So you see, you can count yourself. Edges means sides, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4. 5, 6, 7 and backside 1, 8. Then bottom 9, 10, 11, 12. That means 12 edges are there, 12 sides are there. So length of number of edges in a cube is what? 12. Therefore the total length will be what? 12 into L, that means 12L. Now question number 4. The diameter of a circle is a line which joins 2 points on the circle and also passes through the center of the circle. So in the figure only we can see A and B are 2 points. Yes. They are passing through the center and then join. So that forms the diameter. So in the adjoining figure AB is the diameter of the circle and C is its center. Express the diameter of the circle D. Okay, we have to express the diameter as D in term of its radius R. We can see here CP is a radius. That means radius means what? The half of the diameter, or else we can say that diameter is the double of radius. So here since the length of the diameter is double the length of the radius, therefore formula in terms of D and R it will be what? D is equal to twice R. Okay? Twice R means 2 times of radius. 2 into R, twice R. Okay? Now let's proceed to question number 5. To find sum of 3 numbers 14, 27 and 13, we can have 2 ways. In 2 ways we can write the summation of these 3 numbers. We may first add 14 and 27 to get 41 and then we can add 13 to it to get the total sum. We will get 54. Or else what we can do, we may add 27 and 13 first to get 40, and then we can add 14 there to get the sum of 54. Same answer will come. The way we are adding the numbers, either 14 and 27 first, or else 14 and 13 first, or 27 and 13 first, depends on us. Okay, thus 14 plus 27, first bracket given, and then 13 alone. And in the second way, in the right hand side, 14 is alone, and 27 and 13 is in a bracket. So this can be done for any three numbers. This property is known as associative property of addition. Okay, so express this property, which we have already studied in chapter on whole numbers, in a general way by using the variable ABC. In place of these numbers, we have to use A, B and C, and we have to write the what? Property. Okay, so A plus B plus means in a bracket and then plus C, or else A will be alone and B plus C in the bracket. Same as this 14 plus 27. You can see here, if we are representing this 14 as A, 27 as B and 13 as C, then again A will be alone now. So 14 is alone, then B and C, that is for 27 and 13, will be in a bracket. So this one we are representing this way. Okay, so this is the end of exercise 11.2. Hope so you have understood it well. Thank you and have a nice day.